What is going on YouTube? It's AJ Sneaks bringing you guys yet another video. Today we got a special unboxing. Something set to release this Saturday at your local skate shops. Shout out to the plug. Plug hit me with this. And reason behind why I really wanted this shoe, because it's different. I actually wanted it the same colorway of this shoe, but just a more basic than this. Images of these drop, the story behind them. Crazy. This is a quick strike. Oh shit. Y'all see the box. Size 8.5. Lord, these are freaking clean, dude. We have Nike SB times frame HABIBI SB. Look at this leather on the toe box. The details, the laces, oh my. And they just smell so, oh man. With the double tongue, white tongue frame right there. Bruh, these fire. These are fire. These are clean. Holy shit. Shout outs to the plug. Early HABIBI. I was born in the Middle East, so these are gonna stick with the collection. Set to release December 5th. That is this Saturday, I believe. Saturday. Local skate shops, pretty dope. I'll do a separate review on these for you guys. But these are fucking fire. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.